Okay, now let's see if your manager wants to see the updated data in this table after adding a new KPI with a one click of a refresh button that will trigger a Power Automate flow. So using that, you can simply bring the updated and refreshed data here. Okay, so for that, we will just create a button. So here we are going to simply integrate Power Automate. So click on this Power Automate option. It will automatically bring this kind of an UI. So once the environment is loaded, you are ready to uh, add the data into the Power Automate that can do the refresh for you. So I simply add one data here, and you can click on this edit. So this will open up the Power Automate version of editing mode. So here you can start creating the flow from blank. So I click new and create a instant cloud flow. I click a new step. So here I need to just do a refresh of my data set. So here you can choose the workspace where you have published this in online. Okay, so let's say my workspace, and I haven't published this as of now. So I will just go and publish this first. Save and publish in my workspace. Okay, now this got published and name of the application is Power App. Got it. Okay, so I'll just delete and click add. Now do a refresh. Refresh a data set. Say my workspace. And Power App is now available. You can select this and you can give a name for your flow. Let's say refresh KPI. You can hit save. So do save and apply. You can go back to report. Now this is showing like a button and says run a flow. So this is good enough. You can even rename this button text as refresh KPI, and you can click this button, so that will refresh the data source and it will add the new items into the table. Okay, hit this again. Okay, now you can see that new data is now available here. Okay, so this way you can create this kind of Power Automate that can easily refresh for you.